Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's take a look at GBPJPY for this week. You all know that I told you guys that there is possibility of a double top around here. You can see there's a multiple rejection here, meaning we should be expecting more sell on GBPJPY. That is still our bias, by the way, but our bias will only change if GBPJPY manages to break above this resistance level here. We can see that there's a multiple rejection here, which you can call as a triple top. You can see one level here, double top here, and this is the triple top, which indicates a reversal move, meaning market should start falling. So that is our bias, is that GBPJPY should continue that sell. GBPJPY should continue to drop, but we would only look to change it. We all know we are not the one that controls the market. The market just does its things. All we just have to do is trade with what it does. Like you always say, trade what you see and not what you think. So since there is a multiple rejection at this top, it is indicating a more drop. So we should speculate that drop. But if in case GBPJPY pushes up to take out this ice here, if it pushes us to take out this resistance level, then expect more buys on GBPJPY. If not, like I said, my own bias is to the downside, so we should still be expecting more of this. So if you need more one-on-one support, you trade GBPJPY or you trade JPYPS, you can join our Patreon channel. You will find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section, because now we are currently running a 40% discount, meaning it will only last for between 2 days, maximum it should be 3 days, maximum of 3 days. So if you join the Patreon channel, then you can get one-on-one support on trading this GBP JPY. You know, you will learn one or two things on how to trade and take your own trade yourself. You'll be looking at how you'll be sharing with you out with for some entry points you should watch out for, you know, the exit points. If in case it gets here, you need to exit, or the take profit point. We would look to cover more of this GBPJPY for you. That is, if you trade it, then you can join us at the 40% discount rate. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So, like I said, our bias is still to the downside. So, if in case GBPJPY goes and break this level of 186, then expect a massive sell. This right here, if you take a look at it, this is a ranging market move within this level here. So we can see here lower lows. Here is the lower highs. Lower lows here. Here is the lower highs. Lower lows here, and you can see market is ranging within this level. So we are just waiting for a breakout. You can see market is ranging within this level. All we just have to do is wait for a breakout, then we can now determine our movement. So if GBPJPY pushes up and it break out of this resistance level, then expect more buys on GBPJPY. But if it breaks out of this support level, which I think it will do that, if it breaks out of this support level, then expect more sales, and we'll be heading, that sales will be going straight to level of 180. So watch out for it. Join the Patreon channel. You will find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section.